Good day, everyone. So today we're in the heart of Accra, to be precise, Osu, where we're viewing this lovely two-bedroom apartment that is currently on the market to let. Now, over here we're looking at the living room, and to my immediate right, we've got a two-seater dining area with a telephone that connects you direct to the reception. Flat screen TV, and this lovely marble effect center table. Now we have the same marble effect for the side table or coffee table. A single sofa right here, very nice design. Lovely floral curtains, and wall mounted AC, so fully air conditioned, and the same beautiful design two-seater sofa. And tucked in the corner over here, we have a very nicely designed easy chair, which brings in additional lovely features to our living room. So this is the living room for our two-bedroom apartment. Now, this apartment is ideal, especially if you're coming to Ghana for a holiday or you're basically in for a project. So this place will suit anybody that we're working on a project for and they're coming over to take a look at their project. They're going to be here for a couple of weeks or so. This is an ideal place to stay. Very lovely, close to the city center. So basically this property is about 5-10 minutes walk to the Oxford Street, which is the main high street at Osu. So currently I'm in a kitchen, which is directly opposite the living room. So that's the kitchen right here. So we've got a microwave, a fridge freezer, lovely marble countertop, and our touchscreen electric cooker with a hob or extractor right above it, and our lovely wooden hanging cabinets. So there's plenty of storage. And over here we have our beautiful tap, which I'm going to try and open. Fully working, and plenty of base cabins down here. So inside the cabins we have cooking pots and pans. So basically when you come over, you can prepare your own meals, cook your own food, and without any disturbance. You literally just have to walk in with your suitcase and that's it. Everything is available. So once again, I'm going to show the living room, and then we're going to walk into the bedrooms. So just a quick one, I love to show this beautiful panel doors that we put in here. So straight ahead, we've got a standing wardrobe, and just to pan down to show these carpet design here, and just a little bit of the detail for the bed. So we've got our bed right here. Look at the curtains. Now all the bedrooms have their own air conditioning units. Over here we have additional storage, hanging storage up here, and each bedroom would have its own fitted TV. Now all the points have been provided, so before anybody moves in, the TV units will be in there. Now we're walking into the washroom. So So we have a standing shower. Now you can see these beautiful towels, wall towels over here. And then just look at our sink, the washroom with the WC right here. The same panel door design over here. So I'm just going to walk across now for us to take a look at the second bedroom. Once again, lovely carpet. Same bed design. Now, our AC unit is over there. And our standing wardrobe. So these cables, that's the power point for the TV, which will be installed. Bed, base storage, and hanging storage over here. We've got our panel doors. Beautiful towels. Floor to ceiling towel. Lovely. Now all the bedrooms are en suite. With their own shower and WC units. So I'll put all the information in the description box so you can get the price and any other further information that you need. You can reach us on the phone number on the screen. You can send us a message via WhatsApp, or you can give us a call. So here we have our security door, very solid, very durable, so you're totally safe. And we're back at the kitchen. Lovely piece of artwork over here. And back at the living room. So thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe, click the like button and select the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. If you're interested in this apartment, do reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.